Kids, let's go explore. With animals around us, there's so much in store. Monkeys in the treetops, laughing with delight. Tigers on the prowl, in the moonlit night.
Elephants are stomping with a mighty roar. Parrots singing brightly, asking for an encore. Snakes are slithering quietly on the ground. Zebras running freely, never to be found.
In the jungle, wild and free, come on kids, let's climb the tree. Sing with monkeys, laugh with glee, this jungle's the place to be. Giraffes are stretching high up to the sky. Hippos splash in water, not a bit of dry. Lions with their manes are king of the land. Crocodiles float by with a big demand. Come along now, follow me, where the jungle meets the sea. Dance like bears and twist like bees, let's have fun, just you and me. Come on kids, let's climb the tree. Sing with monkeys, laugh with glee, this jungle's the place to be. This jungle's the place to be.